Hello viewers, want to learn something about CorelDRAW. So as a beginner, let's open CorelDRAW and let's have some introductions, how the whole interface is and some of the tools of the CorelDRAW. So first of all, we'll open our CorelDRAW, and I'm using CorelDRAW S7. That's the version I'm using. So I'm opening the CorelDRAW. Good, that's open. And as a beginner, if you open the CorelDRAW for the first time, version 7, this is how it will appear. And how do you go about it? You go to getting started here, then you come to new document, then you come to create. You see a dialog box will open. You see create a new document, and here you see the name of the document that you want to create. You can choose to leave or you can name it. So I'm naming it, I prefer that. I've named it Oma. Then preset destination, you click there, you choose CorelDRAW default. Then the page size, which page you want to work with, you click there. There are many pages there, and you can customize it, but I prefer working with A4. So after that, what unit do you know best? What unit is common to you? Is it millimeters, centimeters, or what? So if you click here, you find all those there. You see centimeters, millimeters, pickers, point, and other stuff, but I prefer using inches. So if you click on inches and you come to the width and height, you see some numbers there, and those numbers represent the size that I chose up there. That is the A4. So this width, this is the size, and the height, this is the size of the A4. So how many pages do I want to work with? You can increase it by clicking the up arrow, and you can decrease it by clicking the down arrow. I want to work with one page. You come to primary color mode, you have CMYK, and you have RGB. So I prefer RGB, and later I'll explain the meaning of RGB and CMYK. Then you come to rendering resolution. The number that is 300 dpi, I will maintain it. And I have preview mode, I will maintain enhanced. Then you click on OK. So you see, after that, this is how it will look like. So if you come up here, normally the top here contains the file name. That's the name I gave, Oma. So the top here contains the software name and the file name. Okay. Then the next one is a menu bar, and that menu bar contains all the information about the software. That menu bar where you see file, edit, view, layout, object, effect, to the help, that's the menu bar, and it contains all the information about a software. And the next one is the standard toolbar. That is where we have here new to this place, that's application launcher. That's the standard toolbar, and that place also contains a shortcut, some shortcuts. Yeah, it contains some shortcuts of the software and other applications. And the next one, where we have the page size, is called property bar, and that property bar normally contains a tool that is active or object that is active. Example, if I click on this tool, you see here will change, meaning this tool that is active. Look at it. Sorry, you see, if you click here, you see, if you click here, you see. So that's the property bar. It contains information about the tool that is active, or the property of the tool that is active. So for the meantime, you come here, then you will see pick tool, you see shape tool, you see crop tool, and note under the pick tool you see a black arrow there. That black arrow meaning there are some other tools also under it. So let's click there and see what tools are under it. You see, you have pick tool, you have freehand pick, and you have free transform. Then if you come to shape tool, under it you have shape, smooth, smear, twirl, attract, repel, smudge, and roughen. Then we come to crop tool. That under crop tool we have crop, knife, virtual, segment, delete, and eraser. Then we have zoom tool. Under the zoom tool we have zoom and pan. Then we have freehand tool. Under the freehand tool we have freehand, 2-point line, bezier, pen, BSP line, polyline, 3-point curve, smart drawing. Then we have artistic media. We have rectangular tool, and under it we have rectangle, 3.2. We have ellipse tool, under it we have ellipse, and we have 3-point ellipse. We have polygonal tools, under it we have polygon, star, complex star, graph paper, spiral, basic shapes, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, color shapes. Then we come to text tool. Under it we have text and table. We have these are the dimensional tools, and we have para dimension, we have horizontal or vertical dimension, we have angular dimension, we have segment dimension, and we have 3-point color. We have a line tool, and here you have straight line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connector, and edit angle. Then we come to drop shadow tool. Under it you have drop shadow, we have contour, we have blend, we have distort, we have envelope, we have extrude. Then we come to transparent tool. Then we have eyedropper tool. Under it we have color eyedropper, attribute eyedropper. We have interactive tools, and under it we have interactive fill and mesh fill. Then we have smart fill. So viewers, this is the whole introduction of the page, the tools, and as time goes on I'll bring to you how we use each tool, So I will urge you to follow me carefully, subscribe to the page, like, share, comment, and select the notification bell and go to all, so that any new video that I will upload you'll receive alerts. Thank you, and please, your subscription is highly needed. Bye bye.